What's going on, guys? It's your boy Chips Ahoy here. Just kidding. It's Alex, guys. In all seriousness, though, I'm here with my dog, and welcome back. This is Hurricane Vlog number 2. As you can see, the clouds are actually going really fast. You can't. I don't think you can see it on the camera, but it's starting to get faster. Every once in a while, like, the gusts get really bad. And I'll take you to my the front of my house, because that's where probably going to see like a lot of flooding and stuff. And as you can see over here, there's already like, this is all wet. Where I'm standing is all wet. This, like, did you guys hear that? That's all water. That's water. That's a sandbag from last year that got buried. Say hi, Chewy. Oh, yeah, there's a wind gust. It's very cold. Like, it's very cold out here. And as you can see, there's up there. I'll take you to the front of my house in a second. Yeah, as you see the trees up there are rocking back and forth. And there's another wind gust. Oh, God. Yeah, it's really cold out here. I'm gonna take you to the front of my house. So why not? Come on, Chewy.
Michael, open the garage.
We have CNN. Fake news media. Let's go. We brought all of our stuff inside.
Hey. Ready.
So this will all be probably underwater. So this is like our front sidewalk. Our basketball net.
Wow, we're gonna have an ocean in our front lawn.
Our basketball net is down because we don't want it to be a projectile. And then as you can see, this is like the street. This will all be, okay, the street most likely will be underwater. It's happened in regular thunderstorms.
Yeah!
And as you can see, the trees over there are all swaying. That tree
Yeah,
over
they're
here is
swaying.
swaying.
Hey, look, Christian's outside too.
Oh yeah, they are outside. Oh, there's a wind gust.
It's colder than usual. I like it.
Yeah, it's really cold. I'm not sure why. Although the Floridian's definition of cold is probably about 70 degrees. So it's probably very hot for all of you northern people. Whoa, that's... Okay, it's really windy. Holy crap.
Yeah! Someone tells me that the trees are gonna fall. I need shoes.
Yeah, we don't want any trees to fall on our house, so that's not good. Yeah, when I was biking home from school one time, this was all underwater, except for this top portion because it slopes. So everything, like until around that point of the road, was underwater. Maybe even like that point in the road. I'm not sure, but as you can see, there are very little cars on the road. Besides those people, they're just probably doing exactly what I'm doing. Not vlogging though, because... Oh God, I just got a text from AT&T. Great! Hopefully they don't take my data away, because I need that.
Let's stay out here for a wee bit. Should I get a chair so we can sit out here?
No, I'm not gonna stay out here for long. But yeah, guys, I just want to keep you updated. Apparently, Michael, stop. So apparently, if you guys haven't been watching the news, all of Key West, the southernmost tip of Florida, and actually the whole United States, besides like Hawaii, is completely underwater. Yeah, it's pretty great. I'm wearing my Maverick tee, because why not? And, yeah, you know, trees blowing. There's supposed to be really heavy rain bands. As you can see, those clouds are moving actually really fast. Oh God, the tree. Oh, all the trees. Oh Lord. god, I haven't seen her do that yet.
He's not charging for data.
Yay! So we have unlimited for the rest of the storm?
Yep.
Whoa! Yay guys, I have unlimited data for the rest of the storm. Let's go. So I can record all I want. Yeah, so, oh god, the trees. Yeah, we're under really heavy rain bands right now, like the northernmost tip of the storm. Everything's blowing. Pretty much that's all I have to show you guys. What?
We get free cellular data.
Cool. Alright guys, well, that's all I have to show you guys for right now. Probably gonna be more vlogs later. Because as time goes on today, the conditions are gonna start to get worse. I can guarantee you I won't be going outside because it will be pouring rain.
Hey, Daddy.
So yeah.
Christian's outside.
See you guys later. Okay, bye.